Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. I'm looking for a call here at 47.50, and I got that 47.50 call option. And out for a very fast $50 there. Very good. I shouldn't have noted I am doing options. If you don't know what I mean by that, let me know in the comment section. Just put guide, please, or option guide. Or if you're intimidated, don't be intimidated. Yes, options can have a reputation of being very complicated, but they don't have to be that way. And if you like, they can be approached in a very simple way, and that's how I approach them. So if you like to approach things in more simplified ways, then that guide can help you out. It'll go over terminologies, how they work, and have all this make a whole lot more sense. But at the end of the day, it's just trading. But it's also options are very good for smaller accounts. Now, that's not why I use them, and that's not why you would have to use them either. But if you are somebody that has a smaller account, then options, offer quite a bit of upside for that. So there we go, starting up $50. If you blinked, you almost missed it. That trade lasted, according to this down here, all of 3 seconds, because that's what's telling you when I got in and out. So in at 9:31.16, out at 9:31.19. So 3-second trade there. For $50, I'll take it. I'll go ahead and pause and see if something else develops. Have an order at 46.30 here. All right, let's go to 45.50 now at this point. Was close, but never quite got filled. I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 40.70 here for a put. So for a second, looking like I might have been filled, but as of now, it's pulled back here slightly. So I will pause. Have an order at 51.50 here. In at 51.50. Out for another very fast $50 move. Gonna go down to 50.50 now, and we'll try the process all over again. So if this wants, actually I take that back, I'm lying. Let's try, what is that? 60. So yeah, 49.50, let's try that. 49.50, there we go. In at 49.50 for call. Pretty jumpy here. See what it wants to do. Definitely a snappy move to the downside there. And out for $30 on that one. Hindsight, I should have held. Glad I didn't panic out, just because of the nature of that move, nature of where the chart's at on a couple other time frames that you're not seeing here. So I never reached the point where I felt I needed to take a loss or go for break even, but it did reach the point where, and in hindsight, I was wrong to even have gone to that point where I thought, maybe I shouldn't even try to go for that initial amount and just go with the $30. So wrong in that regard, but I am also critiquing all this in hindsight, which is easy to do. So that one didn't quite work out as well. First couple were very, very fast trades. This one, not so much. Had to wait a little bit. And, It went according to plan in the sense of I still made some money, but it didn't go fully according to plan, as it didn't give me the initial amount that I wanted. So I'm just thinking right now, trying to think and talk at the same time. So sorry for the awkward stumbling and silence. But that is, I mean, as a reminder, this is truly live. So this is going on right now as I speak. So I'm trying to think, analyze, talk to you, and not doing, excuse me, not doing so well with it. And now I'm coughing. So this is a fantastic combination. All right, I'll pause. But yeah, if this thing comes back down, I could very well be interested again. Have an order at 47 here for a call. Nope. Don't like how it hesitated. So I'm going to go to 45.50 now instead. That's what I wanted. So now we got to go to 44.50. And yeah, I'm being a little bit more conservative now, just because if I don't get filled, I don't care. I have 9 minutes. I want to be done. I want to move on with my day. So in 9 minutes, it'll be 10:30. Market's open for an hour. So being extra conservative, worst case, I don't get filled and I'm up $130 for an hour. Not sure of many places in the world where you can make $130 in an hour for doing very little, other than standing around pressing some buttons. The thing is, you know, I'm reading articles, I'm emailing some people, you know, hanging out in the chat room. So it's not even like it's an hour of, you know, intense work. So pointer being, yes, if I got a little bit more aggressive, that one worked out fine, but I'm going to play it conservative, and worst case, now we're at 8 minutes. You know, I'm still walking away with what I would say is a good amount of money. So I'll pause. You know, I'm going to go ahead and just call it good. Things seem to be getting really kind of antsy and choppy. Maybe I'm a little bit of a recency effect from that last trade, which kind of chopped against me relatively quickly. So I'm just going to move on with my day. So 9:25. So there we go. 55 minutes, $130 with commissions. Let's call it $120. I'll take $120 in 55 minutes. Would I have liked more? Of course. Did the market present the opportunities to do more? Not really. Some of them I didn't quite get filled, but that's just the nature of trading. So that is all I have. As a side hustle, I'll take it. And if you're new to the channel, this is just a side hustle for me. I'm a big believer in multiple streams of income. I encourage you to do the same because I do this for freedom of time. I don't do this because I want a Lamborghini or anything like that. Now, if those are your goals, cool, go for it. But for me, in my moment or my stage of life, I have 6 young kids. I want to hang out with them. I want to work on my teaching business at claytrader.com. I want to do real estate investing. And so that's why I just have multiple streams of income for the freedom of time. So I can go and do what I want to do. And part of that is that if I want to be done after 55 minutes, yeah, I'm going to move on with my day and call it good. And I'll take my $120 with me. So thanks for hanging out. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment below. Take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.